guys, we're going to be testing out my strength. And we have a protein bottle. Yes. Very neat protein bottle. Shouldn't be up here. And I'm going to show you how much I can do this. Okay. Yeah. I love it enough. Okay. I'm even gonna have some. Don't rush out. Hello guys, I am back today. And if you're wondering why I'm in different clothes, I was at the hospital last night from that tragic radar scene. Thank God I'm on Earth, surface of Earth. And I got a coffee table with me today. This is proof. Dun, 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 dun. And I think it's protection. My IQ is around 13. And I think it's protection. I mean, it's pretty soft. So yeah, we're gonna be seeing this, okay? I got trash bags with me for my weightlifting. Yeah, I know. I'm not read tough. Okay, we going on our trip